There are some stories that just stick with you, the kind that make you question everything you know about trust, family, and the heartbreaking randomness of tragedy. Today, I want to share two such cases with you. Cases that go way beyond headlines and statistics. Let's start with Tamia Batts. Imagine it's your first day of sixth grade. You come home, excited, maybe a little nervous. But for Tamia, that day in 2016 ended in the worst way imaginable. Her father, Timothy Batts, claimed he was napping when he heard someone enter the house. Thinking it was an intruder, he grabbed a gun, saw a shadow, and fired. But here's where things get complicated. Tamia had jumped out to surprise him, a prank gone horribly wrong. She was shot, and despite being rushed to the hospital, died 2 hours later. Before she passed, she told her dad, "Daddy, I know it was an accident. Daddy, I'm not mad at you." That just breaks my heart. But the aftermath was a mess of lies and legal battles. Timothy, a felon, shouldn't have had a gun in the first place. He lied to police, saying Tamia was already shot when she got home, supposedly out of fear because of his criminal record. Security footage showed him walking around with the gun earlier. Ultimately, he pled guilty to reckless homicide and being a felon in possession of a firearm. He was sentenced, but with time served, he was eligible for parole just 2 years later. Now, switch gears to another tragedy. LaTanya Janell Carwell, an honor student from Augusta, Georgia. On her 16th birthday in 2017, Janelle and her stepfather, Leon Tripp, vanished. Her mother, Tanya, waited nearly a day to call 911. She claimed Leon was helping a friend and took Janelle for GPS support. But nothing added up. Leon's truck turned up just a mile away from their home. Cell phone records showed they never traveled where Tanya said they did. Weeks later, Leon was arrested in Atlanta. Tanya was there with him, and her excuse? Pure coincidence. Police figured out pretty quickly that Tanya's story was full of holes. Her claims about cancer, her fundraising for rewards, all of it, lies to mislead investigators. Eventually, evidence pointed to homicide. Leon was charged with murder, and Tanya with helping cover up their daughter's death. To this day, Janelle's body hasn't been found, and the case still leaves more questions than answers. These aren't just true crime stories, these are families torn apart by secrets, rash decisions, and unimaginable heartbreak. Their stories remind me that tragedy doesn't discriminate. It can strike anywhere, even in the places we're supposed to feel safest. Thanks for letting me share these stories with you. If you want to see more deep dives into true crime cases that matter, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Take care of yourself and each other.